Hey folks, this is Richard Ross with Computer Learning Zone. As 2024 comes to a close, I just wanted to take a moment to thank you all for your continued support. It's been another stellar year. Memberships are up, views are climbing faster than the Enterprise at warp speed, and my forums have been buzzing thanks to my amazing team of moderators. Shout out to my crew for another great year. I've had a lot of fun creating videos for you this past year, whether you were learning Excel, Access, or just watching me attempt to explain VBA while my dogs bark in the background. It's been a fantastic journey. And the best part, we're not done yet. I've got big plans for the coming year with new tutorials, lots more tech help, and of course, new full course videos. So as we boldly go into the new year, I hope you'll stick around for the ride. I wish you nothing but success and prosperity in 2025. Live long and prosper, my friends. I'll see you again next year.